Cup of tea for me and a tea bag for my stupid eyes. Back again. Literally furious. So angry and I'm running out of eye drops and now you can't leave the house to get them. Literally raging. Like what? Thanks so much. I don't know why my body likes to kick me when I'm already there.
There is a short length of threaded bar. This is part of what's used to secure the tap into place. The threaded bar needs to be screwed into the base of the tap before the tap is fitted.
Shitting myself. Happy New Year! Guys, love ya. There's people outside making noise. Can't see them, but I can hear them. Ha. We have shelves. Tiny. At least it fits on. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I likes it.
Yeah, fuck it, yeah. Let's do
I'll
it.
edge it with this after.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go.
7:15 and I literally can't stay awake on.
Do you want to go to bed?
Stupid, wonderful, can't believe it. I guess it's not all bad.
I propose to determine the answer to the question.
It's 8:15 and I'm literally getting into my pajamas and getting into bed. Might watch something, but might just go to sleep, to be honest. I am so tired. And it's freezing. I've literally had the heating on since we woke up this morning. On constant. And it's so cold. What did I spill? Nothing. Thank God for once. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome. Back to my channel. I don't even know what I vlogged yesterday, or if I vlogged yesterday. I'm a bit confused with the days, what's new, but yeah, today I feel really good and it's my last day of isolation, 2nd of January, so I'm free tomorrow and Sorry, excuse all the like masks and stuff drying in the back. That looks grim. But there's the only decent lighting in the kitchen. I feel great. Like honestly, even my eye's gone down again. It was really bad yesterday, and I like put hot warm compresses on it, loads, and tea bags and stuff, and then massaged it like I read online, and now it's gone like down a lot, and I woke up with loads of shit in my eye, so hopefully that was it draining out. Way too much info, but what's new? So yeah, I'm just gonna make breakfast now, and I think we're gonna do a second coat on the wall that I showed you yesterday in our bedroom. So that's the plan. I don't know what else we're gonna do just yet, but I'll bring you along as I go.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
Which coffee am I gonna have, Connell? I don't know what any of them mean. I might actually try the hazelino muffin one you had the other day. And you couldn't even taste back then. Yeah, fair. I don't know how to use this stuff. Oh.
That you would stick around. I just touched that sound. It came without his.
Like there's so much coffee in that I'm never gonna fit fucking poured some in there because it was too big. I need to use a smaller capsule. These ones are smaller. But there's so many. Look, caramel cookie, vanilla custard pie. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's. I can like suddenly smell this today. Like not very much, but I'm smelling my Ariana ones and I can literally smell them perfectly. I can smell that literally perfectly without even spraying it. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy about it. It smells so nice, and I haven't even got to enjoy it because I literally got it for Christmas and then I lost my smell. This one literally can smell perfectly. I'm so happy. I feel weird and paro being out. It's so strange. I haven't been out in Wicklow since before Christmas, so I feel weird. I feel lost. Out of breath after 20 minutes. Literally. Oh my god. My chest is really tight. So annoying the HSE aren't testing close contacts anymore because now none of my family get tests. They just have to keep restricting their movements until the 8th of January. They got a text, but so annoying. Like my mum's like, I would love to actually know if I was negative for sure before going back to work and like been around her mum and stuff. So it's very annoying for them. And they also just have to restrict movements for longer. Do you get me? Like if they'd got negative tests, they wouldn't be still restricting. Anyways, they just missed them. Literally, they told them that they'd get them and then they said they were stopping and not doing it anymore and text them saying just restrict your movements till the 8th. I feel bad now. Like I'd like to know if they actually got it as well. Do you get me? Like I'm obviously curious, but I know that's selfish, but like for them, so annoying. Connor's making us cheese and garlic fries for dinner. It's very good. Excellent chef.